Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to bulk delete emails on Yahoo Mail. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail login page. Once you're inside your Yahoo Mail inbox, it's time to decide which emails you want to remove. If you only need to delete a few specific messages, you can manually select them one by one. But if you're dealing with a large number of emails, it's much faster to use the Select All icon. This option will highlight all emails currently displayed on the page, allowing you to delete them in a single click. After selecting the emails, click on the Delete icon. The selected emails will move to your trash folder, where they'll stay temporarily before being permanently erased. For extra privacy or to free up more space, you can also empty your trash folder after deleting your emails. Sometimes Yahoo may ask you to confirm your action. If a confirmation prompt appears, simply click OK to proceed. And that's it. So that is how you can bulk delete emails on Yahoo Mail. So that's all for this video. Thanks.